Hello and good morning everyone. We are here at Intersolar 2026 and we are having Mr. Pushpendra Samadhiya, VP Sales and Marketing with us. Let's start this conversation knowing more about their recent launch and what are the key features of this product.
Thank you so much for being here. So in Intersolar, we are showcasing our TOPCon G12R module. The non-DCR which always we have been there in manufacturing since last year, and very soon we are going to start our G12R DCR module. So by June 26, we will be initiating and starting our G12R cell manufacturing in Odisha at Bhopal port.
So as we all know that our renewable industry is also going to be AI based products. So I just wanted to know that products is also based on AI, artificial intelligence and all.
This is obviously AI is need of an hour. So like in our India, in manufacturing, we see that all the quality control is being moderating or taken care by through AI, starting with stringer, then EL and visual level. So we are controlling through AI.
And what will be Saatvik's future roadmap?
So Saatvik, currently we are at 4.8 gigawatt of module manufacturing at Ambala, and since we are committing of backward integration and getting into cell already, so we are going to start very soon of 6 gigawatt of cell manufacturing at Gopalpur, Odisha, with 4 gigawatt of module as well, making us 8.8 gigawatt of module capacity by initiation starting of this next financial year. And we already started our 2 gigawatt of encapsulate manufacturing in Odisha. Recently, we also launched our inverter manufacturing, starting with 1 kilowatt to 50 kilowatt, targeting of PM Surya scheme and small utility, small C&I project.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us today.